Well, Mr. Stevens' indoor climbing wall looks pretty fun, I'm not gonna lie. But what better playground is there than the great outdoors? And what better playmates than God's creation? Today, I'm gonna be showing you how to make friends with some birds. That's right, you heard it. So welcome to the final Fun Friday. I have some guest stars with me on the video today.
And I'm Carrie Ken. We're making bird feeders.
Y'all walk me through what 3 ingredients do we need to make bird feeders? Can you tell me?
Peanut butter and bird seed. Peanut butter and bird seed and pine.
That's right, just 3 ingredients: peanut butter, birdseed, and pine cones. The first step is to put peanut butter on the pine cones and spread it out. Good job. To put the peanut butter on all sides of the pine cone, right? Carrington is almost done with hers. Once you have the pine cone well covered in peanut butter, what's the next step?
We put bird seed.
So you can sprinkle bird seed on the peanut butter and it sticks. Or you can just roll the pine cone in the peanut butter and it'll really stick on all of the sides.
Wow!
And look how much bird seed is on that pine cone. Last step is to find any kind of string and to wrap it around the pine cone really tight and tie a knot around it. And then it's ready to hang in a tree. Find a tree with a branch and tie it around the branch and put it in the tree for the birds to enjoy. They're gonna love it. It's been 24 hours since we put up our homemade bird feeders, and I'm about to go check out the scene to see if any birds or maybe even squirrels have eaten off of it. So let's go check it out. All right, I see some wildlife up there. That squirrel, I think he was coming down. One pine cone is completely off of the string, so they got that whole thing. And then look how bare this pine cone is. Wow, they've eaten a lot of peanut butter, a lot of bird seed. These aren't as touched, but still nibbled at. I'm gonna go ahead and call this project a success. We may not have built a climbing wall, but honestly, who of us can? Mr. Steven built that at his house too, so tell him, unless he builds one at CampusClubs, just go ahead and crown me the winner. The project that I did with the homemade bird feeders, we were able to find all the ingredients already at our house. It took about 2 minutes to do and was a lot of fun. So I hope all you kids go out there, find some pine cones, get your mom and dad to help you with the peanut butter and the bird seed, and put you up some homemade bird feeders. Who am I to y'all? What's my name?
And Katie.
That's right. This is my nephew Jack and my niece Carrington. We hope that you enjoy making your bird feeders. Can y'all say bye?
Bye.